निखिल hey
Thank you. Slow
of this function. The parade proceeds with the students displaying the vision, It is a special event where we bestow our leaders with the mantle of responsibilities and the honor of leading their peers. Our chief guest for today's investor ceremony. As a kindergarten teacher with 31 years of experience, she has been a beacon of energy, enthusiasm and joy in our school community. Her infectious smile and cheerful demeanor have made her a beloved figure, transcending age and inspiring generations of students and colleagues alike. We are honored to have her presence today and we are sure she will bring her signature.
We, the students of St. Anne's, look to achieve great things, growing in heart and mind, making men and women, integration, wholesome life, soaring passionately so high. Shine, shine and eyes, shine in the light of truth. We, the students of St. Anne's, bloom to achieve great things. Dedicated will ever be, discipline filled with grace, excelling chasing dreams, learning to love God and neighbor. Shine, shine and eyes, shine in the light of truth. We, the students of St. Anne's, bloom to achieve great things, going to make a nation, honoring the elders dear, respect every fellow human, transforming ourselves and God. Shine, shine and eyes, shine in the light of truth. We, the students of St. Anne's, bloom to achieve great things.
I call Assistant School Captain G. Suri Pranav Shrikar.
Thank you. Match order. Thank you. Match order.
I call sports captain for boys, Abdul Momin.
Thank you. Match order.
Shanti House Girls Leader, Lavanya G.
Thank you. Match order. Thank you. Match order. Thank you. Match order. Thank you. Match order.
Charge, Olive Shrestha. Satya House Boys Leader G. Jashwant.
Andrew Antoinette.
Thank you, sisters. About the impact, influence, and inspiration. I now invite our school captain, KSK Sankrit, to lead the oath-taking ceremony.
I, KSK Samprit, as member of Student Council, do solemnly resolve that with effect from today, I will act as a responsible member of my council, be a role model for myself and others in true sense. Help my school in shifting of focus from literacy to real education. Contribute very actively and enthusiastically to complete the given agenda. Be a true link between the students and the school management. Give constructive feedback to enhance educational standards of our school. Be an asset and not a mere liability for my school, family and society around. Participate in all brainstorming sessions with full preparation and attention. Do demonstrate constructive outcomes of given responsibility to me. Be instrumental in handing over our duties to the next council with a loud and clear educational message in the end of the academic session.
We are confident that you and your team will lead by example and uphold the values of our school. We will now have a special display of vision, mission and the motto of the school.
A very pleasant morning to the chief guest of the day, Mrs. Lynette, our correspondent Sister Genevieve, Vice Principal Sister Margaret, Reverend Sisters, esteemed faculty members, dear students, and especially the members of the Student Council. Today we gather to celebrate a momentous occasion, the investiture ceremony of our student leaders. As John C. Maxwell so aptly puts it, leadership is not about titles, positions or floor charts. It is all about one life influencing another. As we confer these responsibilities, we entrust our leaders with the values of integrity. Confer these responsibilities, we entrust our leaders with the values of integrity, compassion and excellence that define St. Anne's School. Warren Benny's words resonate deeply with us. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. To our newly appointed leaders, I say, lead with courage, innovate with passion, and serve with humility. May your tenure be marked by wisdom, empathy, and unwavering commitment to our school's vision. As Leroy Ames so eloquently said, a leader is one who sees more than others see, who sees farther than others see, and who sees before others see. Let us unite in fostering a community that inspires, motivates, and empowers each individual to reach their full potential. And as Simon Sinek reminds us, leadership is not about being in charge, it's about taking care of those in your charge. Congratulations to our dear student leaders, and may your leadership journey be rewarding and enriching. Thank you.
Thank you, sister. Your message was truly inspiring.
Good morning. Respected Sister Jenny, our correspondent, our principal Sister Belsi, and our vice principal Sister Margaret, all my teachers and our lovely students. It is a great honor and privilege to be among you. I congratulate all the students who have been entrusted with leadership roles. The investiture ceremony is the first celebration in a school, and it is one of the most important and memorable events for the leaders. Leaders are the role models who inspire the other students and motivate them to reach the target of success. Every student who obtains this prestigious leadership role feels proud and responsible. Always do your best according to your capacity. Be supportive, polite, and set an example for other students to follow. My best wishes to all the student leaders. My sincere thanks to our principal, Sister Belsi, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, teacher, for your enlightening words. I now call the school captain, KSK Sampri, to speak a few words on this occasion.
Principal sister, Sister Betsy Jones, our correspondent sister, Sister Jenny, our vice principal sister, Sister Margaret, and our esteemed guest, dear Lena teacher, and all my dear friends. It is with immense pride and humility that I stand before you today as the newly appointed school captain. This moment is not just a title or a badge. It is a responsibility, a commitment, and a promise. First and foremost, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to the school management and my teachers for believing in me. To my peers, thank you for your trust, encouragement, and support. I am truly honored to represent such a vibrant and talented student body. Being given this role is not about being better than anyone else, but being able to serve everyone else better. As school captain, I am here not just to lead, but to listen. I am here not to give commands, but to inspire. I promise to uphold the values of our school, to work with honesty and dedication, and to always stand up for what is right, even when it is difficult. Leadership is not about power, it's about responsibility. Together with the vice captains, house captains, and every student present here, we will build a positive environment, one of teamwork, respect, and excellence. Let's support each other, learn from our mistakes, and grow stronger every day. To the younger students, dream big and never be afraid to speak up. Your voice matters. To my fellow leaders, let's lead by example. Let our actions speak louder than our words. And finally, to everyone here, this is not just my journey, it's our. Let's make this year one we'll always be proud of. Thank you.
Thank you, Sampri.